A Shakespearean sonnet has two parts. The first has lines and the second part has lines या blank में भरना होता है. तो शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट की पहली लाइन में जो होते हैं 12 लाइन्स होते हैं, देन लास्ट में एक कपलेट होता है यानी कि 2 लाइन्स होती है. तो 12 और 2 ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा. द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ ए शेक्सपियरियन सोनेट इज कॉल्ड कपलेट. Shakespeare wrote 154 sonnets. Milton wrote 28 sonnets. A Petrarchan sonnet has two parts. They are वहाँ शेक्सपियर था पेट्रार्च, octave and sestet, 8 and 6 lines. Shakespeare has immortalized his love for his dark lady, not wife, dark lady. They also serve who only stand and wait. Name the sonnet from which these lines has been taken. On his blindness by John Milton. Name the poet who paid a tribute to Napoleon in an ode. Robert Herrick, not for tragedy. Who wrote an ode to himself. Ben Jonson. Ode to himself, Ben Jonson. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Name the ode of this line. Ode to the west wind. Ode to the west wind. The most important feature of an ode is it is in the form of an address. It is in the form of an address. A Pindaric ode has three parts. They are strophe, antistrophe, epode. Hail to thee, blithe spirit. What is being addressed as spirit here? Skylark, skylark. Thou wast not born for death, immortal word. This famous line is from Ode to Nightingale. Name the poet. John Keats. Name the lieutenant of Saturn in the Paradise Lost. Beelzebub. Who is the hero of Spenser's Faery Queen? King Arthur. How many books are there in Milton's Paradise Lost? 12. 12. Paradise Lost में 12. Which of the following epics has 24 books? 24 books Odyssey में है. The central theme of Homer's Iliad is the Trojan War. The Trojan War. Which language is Divine Comedy written in? Latin. A mock heroic poem is written in a non-serious mode. The Rape of the Lock heroic couplet में लिखा हुआ है. O world, O life, O time, on whose last step I climb. Name the writer of these famous lines. P.B. Shelley. The most remarkable pastoral play of Shakespeare is As You Like It. The stanza of a ballad has 4 lines. A stanza of a ballad is called quatrain. A ballad is written in iambic meter. A ballad is sung to be accompaniment of a harp and fiddle. The ballad singers were called as minstrels. What is the meaning of La Belle Dame sans mercy? A beautiful girl without mercy. Absalom and Achitphol is satire on Shaftesbury. The Rape of the Lock satires the contemporary aristocracy society. Galsworthy's silver box rises. Legal trail. Lycidas is a pastoral elegy. Who wrote an elegy on the death of W.B. Yeats? W.H. Auden. Christ Nativity is a mystery play. A denouement is the ending of a comedy. Comedy. The first regular tragedy in English is गोरबोटक. गोरबोटक ये जो है ट्रेजेडी है, कॉमेडी अलग है. गोरबोटक was written by Thomas Sackville and Thomas Norton. Important question. Life is a tale told by an idiot. In which Shakespeare play do these lines occur? In this, ये जो लाइनें हैं, अब यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन जो है कंफ्यूजिंग है. आप आंसर बताएंगे इसका. ये बहुत पुरानी बुक है लेकिन जो है अरिहंत पब्लिकेशन की, तो अच्छे अच्छे के पब्लिकेशन में मिस्टेक्स हो जाती हैं, तो इसका आंसर जो गलत आ रहा था. लेकिन अब आंसर अगर आप देखिए, लाइफ इज़ ए टेल टोल्ड बाय एन इडियट एंड लाइफ्स बट ए वॉकिंग शेडो. ये लाइफ वाली जो ज़्यादा लाइनें थी वो मैकबेथ में कही गई थी. मैकबेथ में कही गई थी. लाइफ से रिलेटेड जो लाइन्स हैं ज़्यादातर मैकबेथ की लाइन है. What is the central theme of Galsworthy's strife? तो लेबर एंड कैपिटल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स. नेम द विलेन इन द डचेस ऑफ माल्फी. हु रोट स्पेनिश ट्रेजेडी? इसमें थॉमस किड. विच ड्रामेटिस्ट हैज़ रिटन ओनली ट्रेजेडी? मार्लो, जिसने सिर्फ ट्रेजेडी लिखी है. Why is the Shakespeare called the Bard of Avon? Important question. Shakespeare was born at Stratford on the banks of river Avon. इसलिए उन्हें Bard of Avon कहा जाता था. Shakespeare wrote 37 plays. और हिस्ट्री प्ले कितने लिखे हैं इन्होंने? ये प्लेज हैं. और एक आंसर होता है शेक्सपियर रोट. अगर प्लेज से पहले हिस्ट्री प्ले कर दूँ मैं, हिस्टोरिकल प्ले या हिस्ट्री प्ले कर दूँ, तो वो कितने हैं? Cover is a die many a time before their death. The valiant taste that but once. Antonio and Cleopatra की लाइन है. Cover is die many a time before their death. What was called the mouse trap? Mouse trap क्या है? Important question. The play within the play in Hamlet. Play के अंदर play mouse trap. Who turns the Merchant of Venice into a comedy? Portia. Ariel turns one of the tragic play into a comedy, The Tempest. A melodrama is a play which has predominance of violence and heinous crimes. A tragic comedy क्या होती है? A tragic play which ends in a comedy. विलियम शेक्सपियर का ट्रेजिक कॉमेडी पूछा जाता है, कौन सा है? हु रोट द अटेंडर? द कॉमेडी ऑफ मैनर्स वर्क ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रेस्टोरेशन कॉमेडीज. द थिएटर्स इन इंग्लैंड वर क्लोज डाउन इन 1642. इंग्लैंड में 1642. ग्लोब थिएटर अलग है. The theatres were reopened on the Restoration King Charles II in 1660. Which occasion is celebrated with a masque in The Tempest? The wedding of Ferdinand and Miranda. Who was written the maximum number of masque in English? Ben Jonson. A farce is a comedy that causes boisterous laughter. To strive, to seek, to find and not to yield. यूलिसिस की लाइन है. A poetic play is also called a closet play. The theme of the Shelley's poetic play has been taken a Greek playwright named Prometheus Unwound. Essays of Elia is a collection of essays written by famous essayist named Charles Lamb. Elia Charles Lamb. Shakespeare got inspiration from Thomas Lodge Roslin and wrote a play identified the Roslin की नकल करके कौन सा लिखा था? As You Like It. Who wrote the prose romance? पैसिस की स्पेलिंग. Who created an imaginary reason basics in his novel Arset? Thomas Hardy. A picaresque novel is a novel whose hero is a wandering route. Who wrote the famous story The Selfish Giant? Oscar Wilde. Identify the years in which Wordsworth's preface to the Lyrical Ballad was published. 1800. Poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. William Wordsworth. Poetry is the breath and final spirit of all knowledge. Wordsworth. Dryden found English poetry bleak and left it marvelly. किसकी लाइनें हैं? डॉक्टर जॉनसन. बेन जॉनसन अलग है, डॉक्टर जॉनसन अलग है. Who called Shakespeare's Hamlet an artistic failure? Most important question, T.S. Eliot. मैग्नम ओपस क्या होता है? एन ऑथर्स मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क जो होता है उसे मैग्नस ओपस कहा जाता है. What is caesura in poetry? Important. A pause indicated by comma. A 3-line rhyming stanza को क्या कहा जाता है? Tercet.